Chinese boys love drama that proves two things. One, revenge is best served cold. And two, apparently it tastes even better when your enemy looks ridiculously good. Welcome to Me the Blabber, guys. As you must have correctly guessed already, today we will discuss about revenge love. So the story starts with Wu Su Wei, who has been jilted recently by Wei Wei, his girlfriend, and ended up at Dr. Jiang's clinic. He started to work on himself, lost weight, but still Wei Wei refused to come back. Meanwhile, he has to quit his job and tried several other jobs, but coincidentally had to face Chi Cheng every time, who came from a very wealthy business family. After a series of misunderstandings, Suowei came to believe Chi Cheng is Vivel's new boyfriend, and he was cross with him as he is his girlfriend ex-boyfriend. Suowei vowed to avenge for himself and came up with a brilliant plan of making Chi Cheng pursue him so that he can take revenge on both Wei Wei and Chi Cheng. Along with this, we also have Dr. Chiang, who Suo Wei has accepted as his master just because he is gay, to guide him seducing Chi Cheng. We also have Guo Cheng Wu, present rival and ex best friend of Chi Cheng, who became very interested in Dr. Jiang at first sight and started to come at his clinic regularly but met with zero success. These four together create a brilliant hot mess with several misunderstandings. Everyone is having great chemistry with everyone. Episode 1 looks a little slow to you, but I would suggest not to drop it there. At least watch 4 5 episodes before you take a decision. Also, watching Chi Cheng go from a man who can literally crush anyone who dares to cross at his path to the man who uses that strength to protect Suo Wei from the world is so heartwarming. Also, I wanted to talk about Suo Wei. This character development he has throughout the series is amazing. First, he believes Chi Cheng is like every other rich spoiled brat who thinks he can get away with anything. But then, little by little, he starts to crave the attention he hated. Who was once the most annoying person to him, Suo Wei actually does not hesitate to part away with his most precious memory to save Chi Cheng. We also have to talk about Cheng Yu and Zhao Shuai, who are the second leads in this series. Cheng Wu is literally the green carpet. From being a great friend to a great boyfriend, the man he is. He is ready to wait for his little doctor as long as he needs. Cheng Wu takes care of Jiang when he is drunk, when he is afraid of darkness. And he also takes care of Jiang's ex when he came to know the trauma Jiang is still battling within himself because of his ex. Overall, this is another one great gem China has come up with this year. All four main leads are great, and I'm so happy we got all the episodes without any drama. Do I recommend it? Absolutely. But just be aware of few things. First, there are snakes. A lot of them in the first few episodes. Uh, If you are afraid of them, just be prepared. Second, the secondary couple's love story is more like a dream romance, but Chi Cheng has some serious red flags. You will find many flaws in his character, some of which are mostly criminal offense. So if you want your leads to be almost perfect as a human being, you most probably have to skip this one. Please watch it and let me know your thoughts. Thank you.